Hello and happy Halloween, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 309th episode and the 8th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Can you believe Halloween is 2 weeks away? OMG, it's upon us. We're going to go back in time to the Roaring 20s. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome drink that'll be perfect to serve for your Halloween party. We're going to make Orange Delight Punch. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of orange flavor. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And the best part about this drink, it only calls for 5 ingredients. This will be a hit at the party. Everybody's going to love it. I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Halloween recipes playlist for more Halloween recipes. So grab your orange sherbet and your orange soda sugar, because we're about to make some Orange Delight Punch magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 quart of orange sherbet. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 4.5 cups of orange soda. And next we're going to add in 2 3/4 cup of orange flavored Kool-Aid, and I added in a teaspoon of orange extract. And now I'm going to add in some orange slices. And last but not least, we're going to add in a few maraschino cherries. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Orange Delight Punch. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Look at the orange slices and the maraschino cherries. See how simple and easy it was? Alright, that looks fantastic. Alright, so now I'm going to fix me up a cup and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. So refreshing. Nothing but orange goodness. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Orange Delightlicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Have a safe, happy Halloween. Cheers.